In this classroom, we have small whiteboards and displays along the walls, as well as tables for students to use. First, you'll need to locate the control panel. It is attached to the side of the column behind your computer. On the screen, it will say "Swipe to begin." Once you do this, all the displays along the walls of the classroom will turn on. Your source options are located at the top of the screen. This is what will be shown on your podium monitor and the displays. Your options are Ninernet PC, Laptop, and AirMedia. Ninernet PC is the computer on the podium. If you click this button, it'll show what is on this PC. Laptop is if you have a secondary laptop that has an HDMI port. You can plug the HDMI cord located beside the control panel into the laptop. Once you click the button, the displays will show what is on the laptop. Last is AirMedia. This is used to allow the instructor or students to mirror a separate device on all displays around the room. Once you click this button, the control panel and displays will show individual IP addresses and codes that you can use to access this feature. If you would like to use AirMedia to project onto all the screens at once, connect using the information on the control panel. On the left side of the screen are your system tools. The first button is your display controls. Once you click this button, you will see options for all the displays in the room. All the displays are numbered. From here, you can either select all displays or each display individually. On the right side of the screen are your controls for the displays. You can use this to turn the selected display on and off and route either the podium or laptop input to them. Laptop input is if a student has a secondary laptop. They can connect this to an individual display using the HDMI cord at the table.